So this is just a little tutorial, I guess, or beginners kind of video, just showing how to just play against the bot. I'll just try to talk and play at the same time, so it's probably going to be a little bit difficult, but see how we go. I'm just going to start with 3 metal spots. You'll notice I'm building them just off to the side. This gives enough space for me to upgrade. As long as you've got it within a circle and our numbers as high as it can get, it should be fine. You'll notice how it sort of drops off the further you go away. Now we're making wind for this map because maximum is 20. The wind's pretty strong. Note that it can drop down and leave you vulnerable, but we should be alright to start off with. Just going to build 3 in my factory, holding down shift so I can queue a bunch of stuff at once. Now you'll see there's these little metal, well they are made out of metal, boulders and stuff. I'm going to start off with a little res bot just to help suck that up, and I will get some builders just to start off, and then just a couple of units, builders units, just give me a good balanced army and builder. I'm going to aim for about 7 wind to start off with, not in any rush to get them, but just you want to sort of eventually get that. You can be lazy and just drag it across the whole area here. I should be aiming for the metal first, probably in like little spots. These are energy, the trees, but might as well just get him out there doing his thing. My first builder, I will guard the factory just to help push out the units quicker, and I'll just get some more energy while I can. If you want, you can build a laser tower in your base to stop early rushing, but KAIK doesn't really send in anything early, so it's not needed. But if you want a little bit of extra security, can't hurt. Might as well just build one just for the hell of it, but wouldn't really recommend it. Now I'm just going to send my first guy out to capture this mechs up here, metal maker. I'm just going to drag a few wind farm. It's pretty lazy to do this, but it just gets me started, and that means also I can forget about sort of set and forget. Now the good thing about this map is there's only 2 points where the bot can come through and attack, so if I send my arm in the middle, should be a good way to defend. Might make a bit more energy. So as you can see up the top, stalling, running out. Now what I can do is send in some bots just to sort of harass the enemy, cut down their ability to build. Does help if you're having trouble with them to sort of disable it early. But right now, what I'm doing here is just sending out a builder to capture these metal. If you're having issues or you want to sort of help, it's good to get some lasers in these areas early. But I'm just going to start off this guy just with some metal, and I'm just going to make a little energy farm in the middle here with a nano tower. This is a pretty expensive move. I wouldn't really recommend it, but for me, I'm just going to set it up. Now, see here, just going to try to move these around behind metal, take out their ability to make metal. This should give me a good advantage to start off with. Really hurts their ability to build. If I can take out the factory, that's pretty big, but just camp these guys in the corner. I'll do a lot of damage, which is good. I could try to get this factory, this guy, it would be pretty good, but I'll just send him up here for now. And I'll just send a few of them either side to help guard. And I can see I've got another dude, so I'll start making some lasers Put them on my side. I could put them up the front here to be a little bit more aggressive, but I'll start further back. I'm making the double dual laser tower to start off with. But I could just make the beginner one, not the beginner, the starter one. Now, I should be out with my commander at the front, but it is commander loses, so I'm just going to keep him busy. Capture this metal. Now, you know, at this stage I have a lot of metal, which is a bad thing and good thing. A bad thing means I haven't really been spending as I should, but just mean I can start making some of the more expensive units. Now this could be dangerous. I might bring my other event. I always want to be moving my bots around so that they're harder to hit. Might move this guy over to safety. And I may even build a laser here just to protect my investment. But these guys should be able to overwhelm. Always want to try to gang up. Why that walked over there without making it, but it's alright. Might move this guy over here to start off with, just to claim. Oh, this guy's doing something. Oh well done. He's a hero. He's a walker. I can also move him down here just to help. But I'll make a bit of radar just to see what's going on. And I do want to try to push out the front here just to secure it. Radar shows there's not a lot here, so I will. Let's try that again. And I've got a good little army happening. Could even send some more at this stage if I really wanted to lock down the bot, but I'm gonna sort of lay back. Just keep making more units. Early game, I just want to make as much energy as I can just to really focus on getting an army together. Later on I'll look at getting some economy. Let my war hero die, come on. Come on, buddy. Oh, they're gonna chase him. No. Oh, he's strong. He's... Just want to also... Oop, shit. No. Let's just click around, make it move erratically. I will try to protect this before it's built. I don't want to waste that, and I am also conscious of having a bit of an army up this side as well. I see they've got some artillery which could outrange my tower, so I just want to chase that down if I can. And what I can do as well is there's a lot of metal here, which I can use to, I can either resurrect them if I want to get a free army, or I can suck it up and reclaim. I'm going to resurrect. It's just to see. And you know, I am stalling on metal, so I will, if we want to push out earlier and capture these areas. You see there's 2 metals on this side, only 1 on that side. And I think I will also send out a builder, pressing Alt and then selecting the unit makes it faster. I can even send this to guard the factory when it's done if I want to get out there earlier. So we'll get a few lasers up here as well. Now at this stage the bot does look like it's got a bit of a start, so If I wanted to, I could even move my army in, just start attacking a little bit. Always want to be keeping an army building if you can. We don't need all my guys up here at once. I'll just send out 2 to aim for the metal spots. That's where you know they'll normally have something. Pretty good. I think I can build a radar, a laser. What's happened there? I should have queued that metal makers, but haven't. So probably stop making these now. I've got plenty of energy. Looking pretty strong here. Now I can, wanted to win, I could just roll over the bot, but I will try to tech up. Another one, okay. There you go. So the game is on kill commander ends, so you want to be careful of that. Sometimes the commander can walk in, but hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea how to start off.